Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. Today we're shooting a different type of video. I'm using the voiceover option. I'm participating in the DIY Mommy Spring Home Decor Challenge. All my supplies are from Dollar Tree and we're creating our little spring fairy garden. I hope you enjoy the video, and please check out the playlist. I'll have it linked down below, and I hope you enjoy and make one yourself. See you all at the end of the video. Bye. Okay guys, so I've got one tin can put together, and this is the back, and you can see my little friend in the bag. He's hiding out. Pretty cute. And I just took some flowers from one of my other DIYs and pulled them off and put them on here so that we had a background of flowers because it should be in the garden. Okay, and then around the edges I kept seeing the styrofoam that I used to fill my pot, so I took the leaves from one of my other floral arrangements that I pulled the greens off, and I used that to cover up the edges. So that is what we've got, and it's just Mr. and Mrs. Gnome in their little mushroom house, and little fairy came to visit and just bringing a little bouquet of miniature flowers and just come over the bridge. Super cute. I don't have enough moss to cover the bottom, so that is what I've got, and I hope you give it a try. It's all Dollar Tree, nothing else. The moss rocks, the flowers, the figurines are all from Dollar Tree, and so is the tin can. So that's number one, and I will get to the next one in a few.